Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros at home. First, gather your simple ingredients: water, flour, sugar, salt, and a little oil. Next, we'll prepare the choux pastry dough on the stovetop, ensuring it's smooth and lump-free. Then, transfer the warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip, ready for frying. This method ensures perfectly shaped churros every time. Once your dough is ready, heat about 3 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe the churro dough directly into the hot oil, cutting them to your desired length. Fry them in small batches until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are wonderfully crispy. Remember to drain any excess oil on paper towels before moving to the next step. Now for the best part, the toppings. While your churros are still warm, roll them generously in a simple mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This classic coating adds a delightful sweetness and aromatic spice. For an extra treat, serve your freshly made churros with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or a creamy dulce de leche. They are truly irresistible. To ensure your churros are perfect, make sure the dough is cooked thoroughly on the stovetop before frying. This prevents a raw center. Also, avoid overcrowding your frying pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and result in greasy churros. For easy cleanup and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.